Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and today we have this Bluetooth Nano USB adapter. So it is 4.0, which will make it really fast, good connection. And this goes with Windows 8, 8.1, 10, plug and play. So we have so many Bluetooth devices, like usually the headphones, but sometimes in the computers or sometimes in the laptops, you don't have that Bluetooth connection. So that's why I've bought this. Now, the devices that it supports are here. So all these Bluetooth devices can be connected through this to your computer, laptop, or something like that, right? This is from China, and TP-Link. It had like a really good review on Amazon.ae, so that's why I went for TP-Link. Now, what I'm gonna use this for is to connect my JBL headphone to my computer, because I have Bluetooth in the laptop but I don't have in my computer. That's why I have got this one. So let me show you how it looks from inside. I'll just unbox and then I'll show this to you. So here it is out of the box, and it's really so small. So nano is the right word to describe it. Now let me see how to take it out from here. Oh, it's packed from there, like it's a double thing, plastic. Okay, so the manual, I might need it, right? So I'll keep this, and again it is packed like this. Okay, so here it is now. Now if you look at the size, it's small, and I hope it will connect well. I think it will, because the reviews on Amazon AE were really nice, and it's from there that we bought this. So I'm gonna use it now. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.